Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to check out Polygon Matic as it has exploded recently, following some very interesting news. Just scrolling down here, we can see Polygon is up to $0.62. It is up 20% on the 7-day time frame. Market cap is back to $5 billion. Look at the volume that's come through right here, $1.3 billion, a really huge amount. So I'm feeling quite excited for Polygon at the moment. Actually, we could hit some of those prior resistance levels that we really need to break back through. Now, look at this tweet here. So good to see. Raise your hand if you remember the first Disney experience, like it was yesterday, Disney Feels. We are excited to announce that Polygon has been chosen to be part of the Disney Accelerator program. So, Disney are actually looking to onboard crypto projects to help with their Web3 sidearm. So it's really interesting to see what's going on. As I said, look at this 12% pump on the daily, looking really nice on this weekly. We were just at trading at 0.52 last week. A month ago, we put through swing lows down to 0.34. So we've had some exponential gains over the last few months for Polygon. We saw where Bitcoin crossed that 200-week moving average, we saw a 0.33. So we've almost already made a 2x over here for this project. So it does look really good. Can we sustain this, or will it just be another transient pump followed by another dreaded dump? So this is the article that I just found on this, and exactly why it did happen, you might be wondering. So Matic soared 25% as Disney selected Polygon for its Web3 focused accelerator program. Ethereum Layer 2 Solutions Network Polygon has been selected by Disney for its 2022 BD program. On July 13, entertainment giant Walt Disney announced 6 companies are joining its 2022 Disney Accelerator. Among them was the Layer 2 Ethereum scaling network, Polygon. The business development program is designed to accelerate the growth of the innovative companies. According to the announcement, Disney is focusing on emerging technology in the field of immersive experiences this year. This includes metaverse and augmented reality, AR, NFTs, and artificial intelligence as well. Disney has tapped Polygon for its scalable properties, allowing developers to build Web3 experiences. And I'm curious, actually, I wonder what other projects did they select? Can we see it here, or... Yep, here we go. So this is all of them. We've got FlickPlay, InWorld, Lockerverse, Obsess, Polygon, and Red 6. So these are the 6 projects that you've chosen. I don't know what the other ones are at all, to be honest. So I'll probably do a little bit of research around these projects here, as I'm sure lots of people are searching and wondering what they are too at the moment. So a bit of analysis on the Polygon side of things. Sorry, I'm a bit throaty. I'm actually feeling kind of ill recently. Not sure what it is. It's not COVID. I did a test. I got negative, but damn, this thing has hit me. Okay, so some key things to consider is back in March 2021, a very critical level of support was $0.29. We never did get a swing low down to that level, but we did come to this area where there was lots of consolidation, as you can see, which is typically quite a good thing. What's happening at the moment is we are putting through a bit of a rising wedge position. Unfortunately, it's not really an ascending channel or triangle, shall I say, but it does look very good. I mean, look at the bounce from 0.31 all the way up to the current price level. It's 105% right there. Looks really good, and I'm very excited to see if we can break through this $0.65 resistance level right here. Because if we do break through, effectively it's almost like a cup and handle right here, or even a slanted double bottom. We could easily see Polygon Matic break through this resistance and retest this $0.74 level, which is critical. But right now, the price has actually flipped this key level into support, where we found support on the 20th of July following the first wick-off distribution. And I think it's very interesting to see that this is now a support level. So we can hold 0.62 as well. Very good for Polygon Matic. Don't see any bearish divergences here on the RSI, on the time frame. We're on the daily at the moment. In the 20-day moving average, we are a bit overextended. So we're bouncing off that 20-day EMA each time we do get that slight correction. The previous impulse did see a very small correction down to the golden pocket, as we see on that 0.61. And from the impulse that we have right now, we corrected onto 0.5. And the current impulse, well, we have made a minor correction down to the 0.5. So this could effectively be it before the next explosive move to the upside now for Polygon, as we try to retest this resistance 0.65. Of course, bearish scenario, we can still flip to the downside at $0.56, and our Bollinger Bands here, well, we're sitting pretty right at the top, and typically that's usually when you do want to go short, but because there is so much hype and generation around this project right now, everyone is searching it and probably starting to slowly dollar cost average in. I'm not too afraid. If we can break through the $0.61 level, my next target is going to be $0.73 for Polygon Matic. That's what I'm hoping to see if we can come back to this range. So for 2022, you know, I'm not expecting any all-time highs. I really don't think we're just going to blast back up to like $1.33, not this year anyway. And at least if we did, it would just be followed, in my opinion, by another dump down to the lower price levels. That could effectively happen, to be honest. It does look realistic. I'm gonna sneeze. It does look realistic because if you look at the horizontal or the diagonal resistances along here, it shows, this is an area where we could get an impulse to effectively, and it's quite realistic to see. I think it could happen, but I'm not 100% sure. Nobody really is. What I think will happen, however, is that we just chop around these price levels for the remainder of 2022, just kind of trading left, right, up, down, and maybe even revisiting some lower levels again in the deeper crypto winter. So I do think it'll very much be a sideways thing rather than getting these massive impulses and retracements. Of course, by 2025 or so, I'm very, very bullish. I'm hyper bullish on this project. We can look at a $3 to $4.57 Polygon Matic in the future. By the way, guys, if you do want to grab some Matic today, use the link in my description or comment section. And yeah, this is why I'm bullish, because I think we're going to get a nice breakout to the upside. Of course, typically rising wedge does lose support, but I don't think it's going to happen on this scenario. I think we will see that $0.73 level at least targeted. What's going on the Bitcoin Rainbow chart today? How are we looking from the buying indicator side of things? We're still sitting in that blue zone, so we can still effectively safely buy some cryptocurrencies today. Dollar cost average in on those blue chip projects. Crypto fear and greed index, well, we're climbing out of this extreme fear slowly, ever so slowly, sitting at 18 at the moment. Hopefully we'll be back into neutrality soon. I'd like to see at least 30 because we've been here for a long time. We've been sitting in this fear for such a long time, all the way from May, where we saw the Terra Luna FUD, to 2 months so far. And typically looking historically, you can see we don't really stay there that long. You can see over here in 2018 it was just a couple months over here in May 2021, a couple months, and hopefully we're going to see the rise of the confidence in the market again seen as we start to see more green and people FOMO in, of course, all over again, because nobody wants to buy when things are cheap. Anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like and comment, get yourself into the Discord and all the relevant Telegram groups as well, so you don't miss out on the latest crypto news and insights. Stay safe and let's inspire, learn, and grow together. See you soon.